Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Alex. I am owner of Smith Signature Prints. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So on this channel, I share smart budget-friendly tips for young entrepreneurs just like you. So today we're going to be diving into an affordable and easy way to make neck labels. You might just be starting your clothing journey like myself, and you don't want to start off by buying a bunch of gain sheets from a transfer company, but trust me, I understand. With just a few inexpensive materials, you'll have a custom neck label that looks professional, okay? So let's not waste any more time. Let's hop into this video, honey. So before we head into desktop mode, let me just go over the materials needed to make the neck labels. So you're going to need some printable vinyl paper, which I'm going to be using the Trends Our Dream printable paper. I did pick up the light and the dark because I wanted to test them out on both, and each of them did come with around 20 sheets a piece. As you can see in the top right hand corner, this printable vinyl is compatible with inkjet printers, which is great. That means HP, Epson, Canon, any of those inkjet printers that you guys have at home, these are compatible. You do not have to go out and buy any special ink. You do not have to use sublimation ink. This is the regular ink that comes with that printer. As it says, it's very easy. All you do is print, cut, iron on, and you're completely done. This is how simple this is going to be. If you're interested in any of their other products, they do have a glitter option and a glow in the dark option as well. You'll also need an iron. I'll be using my mini HTV Ront heat press. Lastly, you'll need an inkjet printer. I'll be using my Epson EcoTank 2800. So those are all the materials you'll need for today's video. So let's go ahead and hop into desktop mode so I can show you how to make these labels. So first you're going to make your way over to Creative Fabrica, and if you do not have Creative Fabrica, I do not know what you are doing with your life. I say this in all my videos. This is the gold mine right here. If you're interested in signing up with Creative Fabrica, I will have an affiliate link linked in the description box below. If you're interested, it is $9 a month or $47 a year. Now the templates that we'll be using today is already saved in my favorites. If you're interested in either of these templates, I will have the direct link in the description box below. If this is your first time using Creative Fabrica, every time you download a template, it's going to download as a zipped file, which you're going to have to extract on your computer, which I'm going to show you in just a moment. When you have the template opened up in Canva, it does come with a white and black option. And just for like a bonus icons, they did include social media icons as well. So you can go ahead and go back to the laundry icons. It's going to give you a list of what each icon actually means, so you can know how to apply them to the label based off of the shirt that you purchase. From here, you're going to go ahead and start customizing your label, adding your logos, adding your name, things of that nature. I'm just going to speed this up a little bit. I went ahead and removed the website at the bottom. You can leave it there if you want to. I decided to remove it. Now, I did look up just for the tutorial purposes, the care instructions for a Gildan shirt. But on every shirt that you purchase, it should have the care instructions on the tag or the label itself. So you're just going to go based off of the label on the shirt that you purchase. And just the icons are there, and they actually show the name of the icons and everything. So you'll know exactly what you need to put on this label. Once you completed your label, this is how it should look. It should look somewhere close to this. I do use Bella Canva and Gildan, but this is specifically for Gildan. But once you are done, you're going to go ahead and download your PNG, not as a transparent, just keep it the same and download it. Then we're going to open up a new design and we're going to keep the measurements as 8 by 11.5. Next, you're going to add your label onto this page and fit as many of them on here as possible. I was able to fit 15 by keeping the measurements at 2.2 by 2 per square. And then once you have everything aligned correctly, you're going to go ahead and download again, but this time change it to PDF print because we're going to go ahead and print these out. Now, you do not have to use sublimation ink. This is regular ink again, and you do not have to mirror the image. You will print this out like you're printing out a resume or a regular letter. Now, the settings for the printer, it told me to keep it at plain paper, high quality. All right, so I have my mini heat press set to the option 3, which is the highest it goes. To know the difference when you do happen to print, 2.0 is for white, 1.0 is for dark fabric. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut out one of the labels. I'm going to speed this up for you guys. And then you're going to peel the backing off of the label. Now this is my tester shirt. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna preheat the shirt first. So make sure it's on a smooth surface, iron out all the wrinkles first, and then you're going to lay your label on top. In this case, it will be the neck area. Gonna add a little parchment paper or a Teflon sheet on top. You're gonna hold it down for around a minute to 120 seconds. Once it's on there, it's completed, and the instructions does say not to wash for around 24 to 48 hours. But again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips that I'll be uploading weekly. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.